All right, well, we're going to go ahead and just, because I like to take videos of all the trucks that I repair because it really helps people understand that we put a lot of exactly what we did on the truck. We're basically today just cleaning up. We're killing some time while we wait for the new third member of the differential, pinion carrier, if you're from the UK. And so what we're doing is, because there was a broken half shaft, that basically the differential seized and this lovely little puzzle piece was created and is now toast, of course. We're going ahead, we've got a new half axle coming in and we're going to redo the hub. So really quickly here's all the parts of the hub. And I've got one that's in good shape here still set aside, so we'll just see if in one take I can get all of this disassembled without too much grunting and groaning. But it truly is just a matter of getting in here and doing a little prying on this part that may or may not have been serviced since 1974 when it was first installed. Let's try the other little idea. Let's give it a little love touch. We'll see if this doesn't vibrate the camera too much. Ooh. You know, this is actually a good shaft, and so we don't want to do too much damage to it, of course. So we're just going to see if we can get this unfrozen. What we're going for is just to get this off, of course. To overstate the obvious, like so many things, just a little bit of patience will typically work in your favor. Yeah, right. Okay, now we're moving. A little bit. So sorry for the unexciting part of this. Again, I know there's all kinds of videos out there of guys who do this, and I'll tell you personally, I'm not trying to put together a repair site where I'm trying to come across as a Land Rover expert in the repair shop. Steam Wally or the Land Rover Workshop are actually two of my personal favorites. There's a little deformation there that I'll go ahead and straighten out, but we'll keep these separate. So again, I know that we're up to 3 minutes now, but just to show you what this looks like coming apart, we'll just go ahead and see how soon I can get this done. There's something about the absolute bare simplicity of Land Rover that I fell in love with and decided that I wanted to continue to restore trucks. As soon as I'd done my first truck, it was something that kind of stuck. That is not a common sentiment for a lot of people, I know, but it is for those of us who like this. Try not to stab yourself in the chest or the heart like Pulp Fiction with your pliers. And there we go. Look at that. Nice and easy off with the hand. We may get inside of 5 minutes and 30 seconds after all. So of course what I'm doing is I'm just getting everything ready for the delivery today. And you know, what's going on here, this is the good shaft, and this type of play is certainly something we're going to leave alone for right now. Once the driving member and the driven member start to have spline wear, it's not something that just you can maintain. Ultimately, you can actually have the splines wear down so much inside the hub that everything else is fine, but your hub splines or your half shaft splines have been damaged. In this case, we're going to go ahead and keep this half shaft in play, and I missed my 5-minute and 30-second window, didn't I? But of course what we're going to do now is we're going to come in and we are going to do a nice little bit of cleaning here to get this surface completely clean, as well as what's on the wheel housing of the truck over there on both sides. We're going to get those totally clean and ready to accept new replacement gaskets that are coming in the hub replacement kit. So that's going to be cleaned up next. This fuzzy nice little piece will also get replaced. Basically one of these. And yeah, we're going to clean this half shaft back up and we're going to reuse it. And we've got another one coming in along with the replacement third member or pinion carrier. So I'll be crawling underneath there as well to get all of this crap off of both this side of the axle, the third member, and the part under there. So anyway, for what it's worth, that's what we're doing today, getting it done.